Ever feel like your neighbor just sabotaged your sale by listing their home for thousands of dollars less than yours? Yep, that's what's happening right now here in Chicago and the suburbs. Let's get it straight. When your neighbor undercuts your price, buyers suddenly see your home as overpriced, even if you get the better upgrades or a brand new roof. Buyers aren't thinking about granite countertops or premium appliances. They're comparing price tags. If your home is listed $50,000 above your neighbor's without clearing reason why, buyers scroll past your listing without a second glance. Suddenly, you're stuck explaining why your home is worth more instead of showcasing why it's amazing. But here's the deal. Your neighbor might slash their price out of desperation, not smart strategy. You don't win by racing your neighbors to the bottom. You win by being smarter with pricing, positioning, and marketing. So if you're thinking of selling, let's talk before you priced out your own home at sale. I'll show you how to position your home with the power and avoid the race to the bottom trap. This is exactly where my experience come into place. With nearly a decade serving Chicago, Lakeview, and the suburbs, I can avoid you costly mistakes and position your property to dominate, not discount. Don't chase your neighbor down the price hill. You've got a chance to price your home right, so let's work together to set the price that attracts buyers and protects the equity that puts you back in control. This is Hugo with Coldwell Banker. If you're ready to sell smart and avoid the price war trap, call me, text me. I'm here to help you no matter what the market is or your neighbors are doing. 773-550-4846.